टीचर ही टीचर है मम्मी। रोही आए कौन है? हे कोणी बघा जरा कोणता आहे? कोण लोक मी तर दिसतच नाहीये. मी दिसत नाही पप्पा. मम्मी हे काय लिहितंय? सोड. आणि हे
खराब
वाटतं स्ली मधला कोणीतरी. ही सी मधली आहे. गावाला येईल तरी लिहित आहे. माझा फोटो रिमेन युअर सेल्फ.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good teacher. हीच टीचर आलेली का ग? काल होती ती चालली.
Yes, काल होती ती चालली आहे. Student आणि पण पण. What's my name?
ही मनस्वी आहे. मनस्वी मोठी सगळ्यात आमच्या क्लास हाईट मोठी आहे तिची. पण मी टीचरला दिसणार कशी?
तुम्ही तुमचा कॅमेरा बंद करायचा आहे.
न्यू वाले
Camera should be off.
पण त्याच दिसत. तुझे पप्पा आई सगळे बघू द्या ना माझ्या फ्रेंड्सला. किती दिवसापासून बघितलं नाही. कोण आहे आता? कशाला थांबा.
तेरा बहुत नाटक होगा, सब पता है मुझे, सब कुछ.
Children, rename yourself फटाफट faster.
मोबाइल में
Come on, children, rename yourself. Children, rename yourself. I want everyone to rename themselves. Come on, faster. How are you going to rename yourself? First your name, surname, standard, and division. Roll number your teacher will give you. Roll number your teacher will give you.
Teacher, can you make me the co-host?
Yeah, wait, teacher.
Thank you.
He's not. अरे फक्त
Parents, please keep your web cameras off.
असं फक्त मध्ये दाबा.
Come on, do it fast, children. I want everyone to rename themselves. Otherwise, I will put absent here. I'm telling you first only. I will put absent to each and every student. Those names I cannot see. First your name, surname, standard and division. Your roll number should be given afterwards when your teacher comes. Sapna teacher, you can unmute yourself because I have unmuted you. Sapna teacher.
Yes, teacher, yes.
Okay.
I'll keep myself mute so that there will be no noise. Okay?
Okay, no problem, teacher. Children, we wait for 5 minutes. Let everyone come inside the class. It is the C who is not renamed themselves. This Oppo A83. Yes, children, why are raising a hand? Vijay. Good morning. Kapil Tiwari rename is safe. Good, children, good. Galaxy J7. From last I am taking Moto G. Oppo, please rename yourself. Redmi, Redmi, Redmi. I will put absent for these children. I'm telling you first only. I'm going to put Vivo 1724. I'm going to put absent for these children. They will be put absent. Absent will be there of their children. If you don't rename yourself, I am going to put absent for these children. I am repeating again and again. Please rename yourself. So we can put presentee. Come on, rename yourself faster. I know I'm not visible because my camera is off. Okay, Sneha. Why you want to see me? Then Vijay. I cannot see you, teacher, because my camera is off. Don't worry. So you cannot able to see me. Let everyone come inside. Only 49 students are there. Going, coming, going, coming.
Nisha
What is this
teacher,
Galaxy
just
J7?
let them tell them to turn off their web cameras. Some of the students are not putting their web cameras off. I'm again and again putting their
Pradyuman.
off,
Pradyuman.
switching on.
Put your cameras off. He's going again and coming inside. Something network issue is there. It's Vivo 1820. Okay, after 2 minutes, I'm going to start the lecture. Children, tell me, work of Sun is over. EVS 2 chapter. Chapter number 2 of EVS 2. Work of Sun. Which class is over? No one, na? Not CNG also no work of Sun. Can anybody tell me? Just put it in the chat. Come on, put it in the chat. Pradeep Tiwari. My voice is coming off. C division over. Sneha. Okay. C division is over. D division is remaining. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, 2 cents is remaining. Not done of D division. Okay. So I will do it again for you. Okay. Is my voice clear to everyone? Am I audible? Clearly. Okay, C division half is complete. D division is not completed. So I will take from first only. We'll complete it today. After 2 minutes, I'm going to start the lesson. Okay, no worries, no worries, no problem. Yes, thank you. Can I see from your side my voice is clear? Okay, we'll start with our lecture today. Teacher, just see if anybody is there in the waiting room. You can admit them. Okay, Sapna teacher.
Yes, you don't worry about that. I will handle. Okay, thank you.
Okay, I will start now lecture. Okay, okay. Thanks, teacher. Work of Sun. Last chapter, what teacher taught you about? First chapter. Anybody can tell me? Raise the hand and tell me. Maharashtra before Shivaji. How was the Maharashtra before Shivaji? Can anybody tell me? Raise the hand and tell me the answer. In short. Yes. Kapil Tiwari, yes, I am teaching that only. Work of Sun. Can anybody tell me? Maharashtra before Shivaji? How was the Maharashtra before Shivaji? Vatandas were there, Deshpande, Deshmukh, like who was the Vatandas? Deshmukh and Deshpande. Okay. Miss, in short, I will teach you about the first chapter. Then who was this? Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. Everyone remembering that? कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? याद आ रहा है तुम लोग को कि इतना गैप के बाद सब कुछ भूल गए?
मी काय ऊपर हूँ.
हाँ, सब ऊपर गया ना? नींद खुली? सबकी नींद खुली है? Okay, I will share the PPT for you and I will start the lectures. Work of sun. Okay, the tradition of sun that begins in the Maharashtra with Sri Chakradhar, Sant Namdev, Sant Gyaneshwar, Sant Chokha Mela was continued by sun coming from various status of society, means states of societies. In this group of saints are included Sant Goroba, Sant Savdamali, Sant Narhari, Sant Eknath, Sant Sheikh Muhammad, Sant Tukaram, Sant Niloba, etc. are the names of the sun. Similarly, there are the women also like sun. Okay, there are similar women also sun. Named Janabai, Zoirabai, Nirmalabai, Muktabai, Ghanopatra and Bhina Bai. These are the names of the women who are sun. Now we will see the PPT. Once again, let me share. You need 1 second. Here, now only I told you, including Sant Bhinabai are also included. These are the people's name of sun. Please keep it in mind because I will ask you afterwards. I am asking you the question. Okay, yes or no? Okay. They taught people various virtues like compassion, non-violence, charity, service, equality, and brotherhood. Now, what is this non-violence? झगड़ा करना या नहीं करना? What is meaning of this non-violence? Don't fight with each other. Charity means charity करना, means पैसा charity में देना, दान देना. Okay? Service, help. You help the people, people will help you out. कुछ अच्छा करो people के लिए, people भी तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा करेगी. Then equality, be unequal. जो सबको नीचा मत दिखाओ. It's meaning equality means क्या? Equally रहो, सबके साथ equally रहो. वो बड़ा है, इसमें पैसे वाला हूँ. Don't do like that. Every person is equal. Every person is equal. And brotherhood. भाईचारे से रहना है ना, बोलते हैं भाई तू मेरा भाई है and all that. It's not like that. होता है, थोड़ा बहुत तो रहना पड़ता है अपने को भाई. No one is inferior. No one is superior. कोई बड़ा या छोटा नहीं है. Everyone is equal. Equality means what? Everyone is equal. Okay? All are equal. Such was the sentiment that was created by Sant in the minds of people. ये सिखाते थे. Who was teaching this? Sant was teaching this to the people. Sant was used to teach this to the people. Similarly, Samartha Ramdas also rendered his work in Maharashtra. Who started doing this work, like this work of equality, that no people is bigger and no one is smaller, means no one is inferior, no one is superior. This Samartha Ramdas started work in the Maharashtra. Who started this work in the Maharashtra? Keep in mind, Samartha Ramdas. I am repeating again. Who started work in this Maharashtra? Similarly, Samartha Ramdas also rendered his work in Maharashtra. Who started? Samartha Ramdas has started. Okay, students. Now, next. Okay. Now we will see about the Sri Chakradhar Swami. What he did for the people. These are the sons before Shivaji was there. पर शिवाजी से पहले ये लोग थे, संत थे. But then Shivaji come under their.
Teacher, your voice is very low. You can raise your voice, please.
Okay, wait.
Thank you.
These are the persons, these are the sons before Shivaji was there. Shivaji ने इनके नीचे पढ़ा है. Shivaji was not going to school at all. But the son taught Shivaji that what we should do, how we should treat the people and all that. Okay. Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Gujarat. This Swami, Chakradhar Swami, is a prince from Gujarat. कहाँ का prince है वो? Gujarat का. From where he is from? Gujarat. became an ancestic and came over to Maharashtra. उन्होंने पढ़ाई बिढ़ाई छोड़ दी और क्या बन गए? स्वामी संत बन गए. And he came to the Maharashtra from Gujarat. He came to the Maharashtra. He moved all over Maharashtra preaching equality. पूरे महाराष्ट्र में घूमे. For what? For preaching the equality. Equality का lesson पढ़ाने के लिए. To teach the equality lesson to each and every person in Maharashtra. He did not believe in any discrimination based on gender or caste. तू लड़की है, तू लड़का है, इसके मैं तुमको नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा. It's not like that. He was equal to each and every gender. You are a boy, you are a girl, you are a woman, you are a man. That was equal for that Chakradhar Swami. कोई भी उसके लिए बड़ा छोटा है, no one, everyone was equal for him. सब कुछ equal था. Okay. So several men and women becomes his followers. So several बहुत सारे men and women become his follower. Follow means क्या होता है? उसके follow बनने लगे कि नहीं रुको, उसका बोलते भाषण में प्रवचन बहुत अच्छा लगने लगा. They were liking what he was saying to the people. He was teaching what he was teaching to the people. They were liking that. Okay. The sect he established is known as the Mahaanubhav sect. Memorable incidents from his life have been complained in a book titled Lila Charitra. What was the book he wrote? Lila Charitra. What he wrote the book? Name of the book was Lila Charitra. Okay, now we will see about the Sant Namdev. I want to repeat again. Series again. I am telling you, children. Again, keep it in mind. I am going to ask the question. Sri Chakradhar Swami was the prince from where? From the Gujarat. From the prince from the Gujarat. He was the prince from the Gujarat. Okay. Then he came where? From Gujarat to the Maharashtra. He came where? From Gujarat to the Maharashtra. Which book he wrote? Lila Charitra. Lila Charitra. Okay. Then we will see about the Sant Namdev. We will see about the Sant Namdev. Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Vitthal. करते हैं ना सब लोग. एकादशी अभी हुआ just last month में एकादशी था. Then what we are saying, Vitthal. So every day, whole day and night he was doing Vitthal. He lived in a village, no? Narasi. Okay, he lived in a village, Narasi. He composed numerous songs in praise of God. हर बार God के गाने गाते थे. Of Vitthal, he started singing the song of Vitthal only. Perform kirtans. उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? We call that kirtans. जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि, जय जय Ram Krishna Hari. Did you heard this song? Vitthal. Like this. This is called a kirtans. What we call this? Songs, kirtans. Okay. Songs and stories based on a religious theme. Everywhere and brought about general working among the people. He moved all over Maharashtra to spread a Bhagavad Dharma. He was going from everywhere from Maharashtra, all over the Maharashtra. And taught the people deep devotion to the God. He taught the people deep devotion means Bhagwan ko praise karo. Pray to the God, pray to the Vitthal and all that. Because he was a great devotee of whom? Vitthal. He was a great devotee of Vitthal. Devotee means kya? Vitthal ka bahut bada bhakta. Okay, what is meaning of great devotee? Bahut bada bhakt hona. Deep devotion of God. He instilled in them the desire to protect their religion. Sant Namdev later traveled all over India spreading the message of humanity. What is meaning of humanity? एक दूसरे को इज्जत दो. Equality. I told you first only. All Sant were giving what is to message to the people that each and every human beings are equal. Nobody is inferior. Nobody is superior. All are equal. He traveled to Punjab and spread the message of equality among the people there. He composed songs in Hindi. Even today, of his verses are included in Guru Granth Sahib. He has wrote the Guru Granth Sahib. Punjab में एक book है Guru Granth Sahib. Whose songs are there in that? Sant Namdev has wrote the songs in Kirtan in Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, the Holy Book of Sikh. The Holy Book of Sikh, like Holy Book of Maharashtra. Name of the Holy Book of Maharashtra of our Hindus. Come on, tell me, chat. I want the answer in chat. Name the book. Name the book. Holy Book of Hindus. Come on. I want the answer in chat. Name the holy book. I want the answer in chat. Come on, children. I want the answer in chat. Name the book. Okay. One has given the answer. Bhagavad Gita. Very good, Vijay. Viraj Tadvi. Wow, wow, Viraj. Very good, Viraj Tadvi. Very good. Bhagavad Gita is a holy book of Hindus. Very good. Holy book. Not Bible. Bible is a book for Christian children. Bhagavad Gita is a book of holy book of Hindus. Okay. Bible is for Christian. Got it? Like that same Guru Granth Sahib is a book of Punjab. Means उनका ये था और अपना क्या था भगवद गीता. Good. Now we see again the PPT. Good children. The holy book of Sikh. Its songs are still sung all over the Maharashtra with great love and devotion. Both are today's also we can hear this song of Sant Namdev. Jai Jai Ram Krishna. Jai Jai Ram Krishna. I really like this song. Okay. Then we will see the next son. Everyone understood about the Sant Namdev? We will see again about the Sri Chakradhar Swami. Sri Chakradhar Swami was the original prince of from where? From the Gujarat. Which book is titled? Leela Charitra. Again, I am repeating. This is third time I am telling you, children. Just keep it in mind. Sri Chakradhar Swami is the original prince of from Gujarat. He wrote what? Established the known as Mahanubhav. Sector कौन सा लिखा था? Section उन्होंने कौन सा लिखा था? Mahanubhav. And he completed in a book title called Leela Charitra. Leela Charitra. Then we'll see about the Sant Namdev. We'll see about the Sant Namdev. He is a great devotee of whom? Vichal. Where he lived? Narasi. Okay. Then what he did? He wrote a song where in Punjab. It's in Hindi. In which holy book? Guru Granth Sahib. In which book? Guru Granth Sahib of the Sikh. Okay. It's the name of holy book. Name of Guru Granth Sahib is the name of book. Okay, in Sikh. Now we will see the Sant Dhaneshwar. Now, Sant Dhaneshwar family belongs to Apegaon. Where he from? Where? From Apegaon. कहाँ से थे Dhaneshwar? From Apegaon. Niruddinath and Sopandev were his brother. Now keep it in mind, children, the name of the brothers and sister of Dhaneshwar. It's not Dhaneshwar, it's a Dhaneshwar. D is a silent. Okay, children? It's a Dhaneshwar. Apegaon. Niruddinath and Sopandev were his brother. Muktabai was his sister. Bigoted men of the time used to look down upon these children because they were the offspring of sannyasi. वहाँ के लोग उनको एकदम नीच दिखाते थे कि तुम लोग सन्यासी के बच्चे हो, तुम लोग को कुछ पानी नहीं मिलेगा, यहाँ पे खाना नहीं मिलेगा. Did you saw the picture of this Dhaneshwar? Tell your parents to show the picture of movie of this Dhaneshwar. Muktabai, Niruddinath और Sopandev. वहाँ पे तुम लोग इतना अच्छा देखोगे ना मूवी में. It's very nice movie. Please parents show the children this movie of Dhaneshwar. They will take the knowledge what is the Sant Dhaneshwar has did. उन्होंने अपने उनको बहन के पास खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं था, so what he did, he go and ask for the bhiksha. Bhiksha means what? भीख मांगने गए थे घर घर. Some of the people gave them आटा. All of you know ना? गेहूं का मतलब पीठ, गव्हाचं पीठ. Okay, means आटा उनको दिया उन्होंने सब peoples ने. तब उसके उनको लेके गए घर पे. Then sister make the dough and उनके पास चूल्हा नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था. Then what that person did? He take the name of the God and said there. उनकी पीठ इतनी तप गई कि उन्होंने कहा अपने बहन को, प्लीज अभी तू चपाती रोटी या कुछ भी हो मेरे पीठ पे सीख सकती है, गरम कर सकती है. Then she did that. You can see this everything in the movie. बहुत अच्छे examples are given in this movie. Please parents, I am requesting to show this movie to the children. Okay? Sannyasi offspring. Offspring क्या होता है? बच्चे सन्यासी. It happens like this. The father took sannyas. Sannyas means क्या? सब family को छोड़ छाड़ जाके हिमालय पे जाके बैठ जाना. Where to go? On the Himalaya. पूरी family, no wife, no children, nothing. Only भगवान का नाम लेते go and sit in the Himalaya and take the name of the God. Okay, it's called a sannyas. And retire from the worldly life. As a sannyasi, he left home. But later on, obeying the order of his guru, guru की order क्या थी? कि go and live with your family. उनके गुरु ने क्या कहा था? Please don't be sannyas. Don't take the sannyas. Your family is waiting for you. So go and live with your family. He returned home. Who? The son Daneshwar father returned home from the Himalaya and started living with his wife. Their 4 children were born afterwards. उसके बाद ये पैदा हुए सब लोग. Who was there? Daneshwar, Nirutinath, Sopandev, and Muktabi. After coming back from the Himalaya, these 4 children got born. Okay. The narrow-minded religious, narrow-minded means बहुत गंदी सोचने वाले आदमी लोग, okay, peoples, leaders did not think it's right that a sannyasi should have a children. वो क्या लगा? सन्यासी को बच्चे हैं, ये भगवान कैसे है, सन्यासी क्यों बना, भगवान का नाम लेते और ऐसा करते and all that. They were started thinking, people were thinking very bad about this. Daneshwar's father, okay, they were starting giving bad words. उनको तुच्छ मानना, मीन्स कम लेखना, उनको पानी नहीं देना, उनको खाना नहीं देना. Go from your village के यहाँ पे पैर रखने नहीं देना, तुम लोग village के बाहर रहो and all that. They were praising to all, means बोलते ना, लोग इतना भगवान का कर रहे हैं, इसलिए वो क्या बोलते हैं, उनको बच्चा नहीं होना चाहिए and all that. Means they were giving bad words to the father of this Daneshwar. People persecuted these children and banished them from their everywhere. The poor and backward people were being oppressed in the name of this religion. Daneshwar went among the people and taught them to have a faith in God. Daneshwar क्या सिखाते थे people को? You have a faith, विश्वास रखो भगवान के ऊपर. Have a faith means that विश्वास. Faith means what? विश्वास रखो भगवान के ऊपर. Give equal treatment to all. सबको एक साथ treatment दो. नीचे में देखो उनको वो कम में वो पैसा है, गरीब हो ऐसा कुछ मत करो. वो man है, she is woman, so don't. पोरगी म्हणून तिला हे नाही करायचं, तिला जेवायला द्यायचं नाही, हे नाही ठेवायचं, तिला कपडे तिला बाहेर शिकवायचं नाही. Only boys can go outside for the education. So don't treat like this to anyone. Treat all equally. Yes, all sons were teaching that all the peoples are equal. All the peoples are equal. Help those in trouble and allay their misery. जो ये है trouble में है उनको, misery में है, बहुत गरीब है उनको help करो. Okay. This was the gist of his advice of the people. Daneshwar words are heard in every nook and corner of Maharashtra for the last 700 years. In those days, all this religion's teaching was confined to Sanskrit book. He wrote the book in Sanskrit. He wrote the book in Daneshwari in the Sanskrit. Language of ordinary people in everyday use was Marathi. But that time, people were using Marathi language. Okay, they cannot understand the Sanskrit. अभी ये पढ़े लिखे नहीं थे ना, वो स्कूल गए थे तभी भी उनको संस्कृत आती थी. Now keep it in this mind, children. Daneshwar wrote his outstanding book Daneshwari in Marathi too. He thus opened wide for his people the door of knowledge. Knowledge के लिए उन्होंने अपना दरवाजा खुला रखा. किसको knowledge चाहिए? Please come and meet me. I will give you the knowledge. Where he preached the ideal of brotherhood among all the men. At a very early age, at Alandi near Pune, Daneshwar took Samadhi. Again, he took the Samadhi where? In Alandi. Now also you can go and see the Samadhi of Daneshwar in Pune, Alandi near. Okay, that is put himself in rest from which he never came out. One, the Samadhi means what, my children? जिंदा अपने को भगवान के पास जाना. Go and sit down. पूरा बोलते ना एकदम शांत जगह पे जाके बैठने का, भगवान का नाम लेते 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 ऊपर चला जाने का, मीन्स उसको बोलते हैं संन्यास, सॉरी समाधि लेना. Even today, on the 11th day of Ashadi and Kartikeya Ekadashi, lakhs of pilgrims what? Bhakt, to go to Alandi Panjari with devotion. वो जोर से जाते हैं ना करके वो लोग वहां पर ना गाना गाते गाते वो लोग चले जाते हैं. Okay, we will see again back of Daneshwar. Daneshwar family belongs to what? Apekaon. Daneshwar family belongs to what? Apekaon. Then Nirutinath and Sopandev were his brother. Muktabai was his sister. Who was his father? He was a sannyas. He was sannyasi. He was a sannyasi. Then what he was teaching to everyone? That give equal treatment to all. Help those in trouble and allay their misery. Okay, then which book he wrote? Daneshwari. Which book he wrote? Daneshwari in Marathi. In that, what he wrote, the doors of knowledge were open for everyone. Now you can see at the very early age, Alandi near Pune, he has taken what? Samadhi. In Alandi, he has taken the Samadhi. Where he took the Samadhi? In Alandi, he took the Samadhi. On the 11th day of Ashadi and Kartikeya Ekadashi, who are going there, lakhs of pilgrims are going to Alandi and Pandhari with the devotion. Everyone understood? I want to answer that till here you understood. Okay? Till here everyone understood? Come on, give me the answer. Yes or no? Till here? Thank you. Jani, what happened? Your roll number is 45. Teacher will give you the roll number when she enters in the classroom. Marathi period will be there. She will give you roll number. Okay. Thank you. Now we will see another son. Sant Eknath. Iska bhi story here. You can see this movie also. Sant Eknath movie is also there. You will see the video for 1 second. I will show you everyone. Okay. Otherwise, next period, if I will get a time to show you the videos of this, I will show you. Okay. Sant Eknath carried on the work started by Sant Namdev. Sant Eknath ने नामदेव का ही काम आगे बढ़ा चालू किया मीन्स रखा. Like people used to do the business of a father only, same like Eknath has started the work stated by the Sant Namdev and Sant Gyaneshwar. उन्होंने आगे इनका काम चालू रखा. He lived in Paitan, where he lived in Paitan. He praised that the way to reach God was through devotion. भक्ति करो और भगवान के पास चले जाओ. Bhakti Marga. What means what? Devotion means Bhakti Marga. He wrote numerous religious songs, abhangas, movies, and barods. His advice to the people was not to accept any distinction of high and low. That nobody is high, nobody is low. क्या सिखाते थे? Same of equality party पढ़ाते थे. Lesson of equality only he was also teaching to each and every person. He made friends with the poor and downtrodden and taught them devotion of God. Poor के साथ उन्होंने friendship की थी. Downtrodden में जो गरीब थे, रास्ते पे बैठे रहते थे, उनके साथ उन्होंने friendship की थी. His love extended even to the dumb animals. जो सुनते नहीं है, जो बोल नहीं सकते, dumb animal, कुछ नहीं कर सकते, उनकी तरफ भी उनका प्यार बहुत था. Okay? He exhorted the people to love all living beings and praised what he praised. जो वो सिखाते हैं वो बच्चों को, मीन्स जो एनिमल से या फिर कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग से गरीब है उनको सिखाओ. In this way, by his personal example, Eknath impressed the message of love and equality on the minds of the people. Okay. Now we will see Sant Tukaram. Again, I am going to show you about the Sant Eknath. Where was he living? He was living in Paitan. How he was preaching to the God? By the Bhakti Marga. भगवान के पास कैसे जाना है? भक्ति मार्ग से जाना है. He wrote how many songs? Abhangas, Vovis, and Barud. He wrote Abhangas, Vovis, and Barud. Okay. His advice to the people was not to accept any distinction of high and low. That nobody is high, nobody is low. Nobody is high and nobody is low. Okay. Okay. Then this is all everyone knows this. Now we see Sant Tukaram. We'll see about the Sant Tukaram. Okay. Two great sons, Tukaram and Ramdas, lived in Shivaji's time. Two great sons, Tukaram and Ramdas, lived in Shivaji's time. Abhi, ye jo sant aage gaye. First which was the son? First name of the son was? Can anybody say? Chakradhar Swami. Then comes Namdev. Then comes who? Gyaneshwar. Then comes Eknath. ये सब कब थे? शिवाजी के पहले. Before Shivaji. Now who was the son that Shivaji was there in that time? Sant Tukaram and Ramdas. Okay. Lived in Shivaji's time. ये शिवाजी के टाइम पे थे. Tukaram came from the Dehu near Pune. He owned a farm. Owned a farm means लिया farm उन्होंने, and also a grocery shop. Owned a farm and a grocery shop. Grocery तो पता है डो क्या होता है? जो कड़धान में मिलते वो. Okay. His fourth father used to lend money to the nearby people. Okay. Forefather means क्या? पहले के उनके father, grandfather and all that, ना क्या करते थे? Used to lend money. मनी देते थे. व्याजावर पैसे देने. उसके अर्थ में बोलते ना व्याज means what we called it. तुमको कुछ काम होगा तो मेरे से पैसा लेके दो, पर पैसा जब तुम लोग लेके जाओगे ना उसका मुझे ये भी चाहिए, इंटरेस्ट भी चाहिए. Okay, it's like this. To the needy people. But Tukaram drowned in the river Indrayani. All the record of loan means giving a loan. Sorry, it's meaning of giving the loan to the people and taking the interest of that loan, of that money. Okay, लोन देना, जैसे बैंक अपने को लोन देती है ना कि तुम लोग इतना तुमको चाहिए, तुमको जरूरत है तो हमारे से लोन लेके जाओ. You can take the money from us and give the money back and with the interest. But this was not, बोलते ना तुकाराम को ये पसंद नहीं था कि मेरे ग्रैंडफादर या फिर मेरे फादर ये कुछ करे, दूसरे का पैसा हड़पे या फिर उनका प्रॉपर्टी हड़पे. उन्होंने क्या किया? What he did, he took all the records and put it in the river of Indrayani. पूरा उन्होंने रिकॉर्ड कहाँ पे डाल दिया? इंद्रायण रिवर में डाल दिया. Thus, giving relief to the many. इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ? पूरे जो गरीब थे उनको रिलीफ मिला. रिलीफ मिला, हाँ हुश, अभी जहाँ हमको पैसा नहीं भरना है बाबा, टेंशन उतर गया, सिर का टेंशन कम हो गया. He will go to the neighboring hills and sing a song in praise of God. Of which God? Of Vittal. Okay? On the 11th day, Ekadashi of the month of Ashad and Kartiki, he would go to the Pandharpur. कहाँ पे जाते थे वो? To the Pandharpur. Okay? He wrote devotional songs, abhangas and performed kirtans. सब जगह पे क्या होता था? कीर्तन होता था. Okay? Then thousands flocked to listen to him. पूरे 1000 आदमी लोग आते थे वहां पे उनको सुनने के लिए, उनका कीर्तन and abhanga सुनने के लिए आते थे. Shivaji Maharaj also attended his kirtan. Who came to see the kirtans? Who came to listen to the kirtans? Shivaji Maharaj came to listen to the kirtan. Sant Tukaram preached to the people about the virtues of pity, forgiveness, maaf kar do, forgiveness, peace of mind, shanti man ko. He also gave them the message of equality. Each and every son gives the message of equality to all the people. Be equal to everyone. Nobody is inferior, nobody is superior. Each and every, from first son to the last son, each one is giving the message of equality. Everyone understood till here? Yes or no, children? This I will show you there. One video also. He alone, innocent, the God devil with him who calls the weak and downtrodden as his own. He impressed the truth on the minds of people. He made them think. People accept him as a great religious leader and shower their praise means prayer on him. Okay? Even today, all over Maharashtra, we heard people proclaiming Gyanba Tukaram, Gyanba Tukaram, Gyanba Tukaram. When each and every people, means each and every pilgrim go to the Pandharpur, no? On the road, they were saying this song only. Gyanba Tukaram, tal bazotat, ghanta bazotat, anastat. Means everything they are doing on the road and saying this song, Gyanba Tukaram, Gyanba Tukaram. The name of the two great sons, Sant Dhaneshwar, is called Gyanba. Also, even today, Tukaram Gatha is read in every household. What each and every people nowadays, I don't know, I am not reading, but some of the old people who are reading this, the Tukaram Gatha. Okay, people used to, old people used to like this to read and all that. Gita Charitra Vastat, Lila Charitra Vastat means they like to read. Old people like to read this on this thing, Tukaram Gatha and all that. They are reading in. Okay. Now we will sing Samartha Ramdas. Nowadays also some of the people's devotees are very devotees of Samartha Ramdas. Means I don't know that you know or not, children, but some of the people are going to this, what is called? Pravachan, not Pravachan. वो बोलते हैं ना, जो यहाँ पे टीका लगाते हैं ऊपर, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, किसको पता है? Anybody knows that? Who is putting this red color टीका? कहाँ पे जाते हैं? रामदास, समर्थ रामदास के लिए जाते हैं ना? Anybody know the answer of this? What we call that?
Darsh knows that. Darsh will give the answer. Darsh.
Okay, Darsh give the answer. समर्थ रामदास की पे कौन जाता है? स्मरण करायला कोण जातं? कुठे जातात? त्याला काय म्हणतात?
Darsh, you can unmute.
Teacher has unmuted yourself. उसको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? यहाँ पे जो टीका लगाते हैं समर्थ रामदास वाले? नहीं. I want the exact name. Come on, tell the exact name, children. I want the exact name of that. People are going now. On Sundays they are going to listen them. Mayank, Tejas, don't write anything. What we call that? I'm not getting the name of that.
Aditya Vartar.
Huh? Smaran not Smaran beta, not Smaran. I want the exact name. Abhi means on Sundays people are going. Jai Sadguru. Who says Jai Sadguru? Who said Jai Sadguru? Upasna. Okay. Prathamesh, Upasna. Good. This is a name. Samartha Ramdas. Okay, Upasna. Means these are the people who go for the Upasna. Samartha Ramdas. Okay. At the same time, the hills and valleys of Maharashtra were filled with the echoes of Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha. Like this. Glory to the great Rama. Okay? And invocation constantly on the lips of the great Sant Ramdas. This every time उनके मुंह पे रहता ही था जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ. अभी के बाद nowadays people are Swami Samartha. Yes or no? Same. These are the sons. Okay? जो अभी चले गए हैं. Means उन्होंने क्या किया? संन्यास लिया हुआ है. और संन्यास का ये किया हुआ है उन्होंने. Ramdas was born at the jam of the bank of Godavari in the Marathwada. Marathwada comes in Aurangabad side. Okay? Now that I know that side. His birth falls on Ram Navami. Ramdas Swami का कब है? Samartha Ramdas का कब है? Birth falls on Ram Navami. The day on which the great hero Rama was born. Narayan was his real name. Now keep it in mind, children. What was his real name? Narayana was his real name. But he preferred to call himself Ramdas. The servant of Rama. Though it's a great book, does both. He taught men the ways of good life. Through his मनाचे श्लोक, तुम लोग अभी भी मनाचे श्लोक वाचत असतील, stanzas addressed to the mind. मनाचे श्लोक क्या? जो हम लोग माइंड से पढ़ते हैं, मन से पढ़ते हैं. He gave people lesson in good thoughts and good conduct. Okay, children, to popularize the worship of strength, he raised the temples of Hanuman, god of strength. Hanuman is the god of strength. He exhorted people to be strong and told them of the power that resides in a united people. He taught them to organize themselves and fight against injustice. He gave courage to the people. The work of the sons brought about a great awakening among the people. Religion once again became a thing to be respected and a spirit of self-reliance was born. People regained their lost confidence. जो गया था confidence, lost हुआ था confidence, regain means फिर से उनमें आना चालू हुआ, confidence आना चालू हुआ. This great awakening among the people brought about by the sons helped Shivaji in his fights for Swaraj. जो आदमी लोग टूट चुके थे, बाबा ने हमसे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, इन्होंने कहाँ से लाया confidence? कौन लेके आया? Samartha Ramdas has brought the confidence of telling each and every person that you can do it. Don't lose your hope. You can do it. तुम लोग fight कर सकते हो. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा भगवान का स्टोरी सुनाया. अभंगस, मूवीज, कीर्तन एंड सब ये सुन के माइंड उनका फ्रेश हुआ. मनाचे श्लोक वाचन उनका माइंड फ्रेश हो गया. Everyone understood? Okay. Now I will show you one video. Everyone understood the chapter? No voice. Why my voice is not coming, Kapil? I am clear. I think so. Now, yes or no? I am clear, children. I will show you now one video. You will get 1 second. It's okay. Okay, no problem. Don't say sorry, beta. It's okay. It's okay, no problem. Glory means worship, praise, and thanksgiving offered to a deity. Come on, it's giving thanks. Glory means thanking to the God. Okay, I will show you PPT now. I will show you PPT. 1 second, just give me. Only 1 second I want. Is the video audible? Is the video audible? Give me the answer. If not audible, na? Teacher voice is not coming. I know. Just go in more option, children. Go in more option, everyone. More option पे जाओ. Enable original sound. Disable करो. Disable करो. Enable को disable करो. Then you will get the voice of video clearly. Disable karo. Go in more option. Everyone, I am giving instruction. Go in more option. Parents, please help out the children. Please go in more option. More option पे जाओ. वहाँ पे थर्ड ऑप्शन है अनेबल ओरिजिनल साउंड को डिसेबल करो. अनेबल ओरिजिनल साउंड को डिसेबल करो. इजी मेथड है. गो इन मोर ऑप्शन. थर्ड ऑप्शन को क्लिक करो. आपको वीडियो सुनाई देगा. आई विल डू इट अगेन फॉर यू. सी नाउ.
Sri Chakradhar Swami. He was originally a prince from Gujarat. Later, he moved to Maharashtra. A book called Leela Charitra compiles his life history. He preached on equality. Santana.
Now the video is audible. Voice is clear. Thank you Sneha. Thank you. Now the video आवाज आ रहा है ना? ओके. यही हर बार अभी तुम लोग को ये सेटिंग याद रखना. अगर टीचर का वीडियो का आवाज नहीं आ रहा होगा तो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, गो इन मोर सेटिंग, थर्ड ऑप्शन को क्लिक करो, या साउंड विल बी क्लियर. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रेन. थैंक्स अ लॉट. समझ में आ रहा है मीन सबको. अगेन आई विल स्टार्ट अ वीडियो फॉर यू.
He was a great devotee of Lord Victor. He was from Narasi village in Maharashtra. He preached on humanity. He called Guru Granth Sahib, and now it is a holy book of the Sikhs. Sant Gyaneshwar, also known as Gyanpa, he belonged to Epgaon village in Maharashtra. Gyaneshwari was his famous book. It was a translation book from Sanskrit into simple Marathi language. He preached on brotherhood. Was a boycotted sannyasi son, but now a saint to be worshipped. At a very early age, Sant Gyaneshwar took samadhi at Alandi near Pune. Sant Eknath. He was from Paitan village in Maharashtra. His message was love and kind. He preached on it through Bhakti Marg, and he wrote many abhangs, poems, and baruds. Sant Tukaram. He was from Tehu village near Pune in Maharashtra. He preached humanity, the virtues of pity, forgiveness, and peace of mind. All his stories are consolidated in a book called Tukaram Katha, and he was one of the saints who lived during Shivaji Maharaj's time. Sant Samartha Ramdas. He belonged to Zam village in Maharashtra. His message was unity and ways of good life. And his messages are compiled in a book called Das Bodh.
There is noise in the video. You can't hear.
Background voice is coming, children, of fan and all that. Okay, now I'm going to ask the questions answer. Okay, it's a time for us to ask the question answer. Now I want each and everybody should give the answer in their chat box. The क्वेश्चन आंसर शुड बी क्लियर, आंसर शुड बी पूरा लिखना चाहिए. ओके एवरीवन, डोंट राइट शॉर्ट 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 शॉर्ट, छोटे 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 आंसर मत लिखो. ओके, राइट फुल आंसर. आई वांट फुल आंसर. Okay, now I will show you. First question for everyone. I am seeing the chat box again. Okay, first question. Name the sons began in Maharashtra. Name the sons before Shivaji. Before Shivaji in Maharashtra. शिवाजी के पहले वाला सन के नाम बताओ. Before Shivaji. Write full sentence. I want full sentence, children. Shivaji के पहले वाले सन के नाम. What was the name before Shivaji was not there in the Maharashtra? That time I want the name of the sons. Come on, write faster. Write faster. Come on, children. I want the names. Who is first? Sant Namdev. Yes, I want full sentence. I told you, keep your textbook with you. Keep your textbook with you, children, and write the names. Fatafat. Parents, please don't help. Let them write. Shilpa has given Sant Dhaneshwar. Darsh has given Sant Namdev. Okay. Sri Chakradhar Swami, Sant Namdev. Very good. I want Prathamesh like this. The answer should be like this. Because you are writing short answer in the text workbook, notebook. Who is this writing? Mayank. And again, don't write anything. Otherwise, I will remove from the class. Very good. Arnav. Arnav has written. Very good. And before Shivaji was very good. Sant Tukaram. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Who else is trying? Come on, try. I will give you time because we are having 10 minutes still. Okay. Now, second question. Name the women who are sons. Name the women who are sons. Name the women who are sons. Who are sons. Women's के नाम लिखो. मुक्ताबाई, good. And full name. Full name. अर्णव, पहले जो लिखा वैसे लिखो. स्नेहा, संत नामदेव नहीं. Women's का नाम मुक्ताबाई. So many are there. Come on. So many are there. Come on, children. So many are there. मुक्ताबाई ही सिर्फ एक ही है. जोयराबाई, good. प्रथमेश, good. Good. Nirmalabai is also there. Kanopata is also there. Bahinabai is also there. I want the names. Come on. Muktabai. Okay. Third question. Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Dash. Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Dash. Good, good. Good. Come on, give the answer. Gujarat. Very good. Prathamesh has given the first answer. Clap for him. No, Sakshi has given the first answer, but the spelling is wrong. Good, beta. You are practicing. Very nice. I'm very happy. Good. Parents, let them write. Parents, let them write. You don't help. You just help to show where the check is and all that. But let them write. Good. Okay. Then, my next question is, what was the book title written by Chakradhar Swami? What is the title, name of the book? Title written by Chakradhar Swami. Gadge Maharaj. Who is this? Atharva. Ye Gadge Maharaj Biste Babo. It's a wrong answer, Atharva. Trimukhe. Let's start. Lila Charitra. Oh, good. Lila Charitra. Very good. Children are practicing to write the typing. Very nice. I'm happy for them. Very good, children. Very good. Very nice. Good going. Very good.